intro of all time. So I just filmed this. We're gonna film it again because I was so sweaty and it was just off. The whole thing is off. So I didn't want to film today at all. My allergies are out of control. My eyes, I woke up, they were like swollen shut. I'm just feeling messy and it is hot again. I've been waiting to get a day where it's like just even under 90. Just give me a day under 90 where I just don't feel like we're hanging out next to Satan's ballsack. Like, just give me a day where we can just breathe without being all sweaty and gross. It hasn't happened yet. So today's the day because this video goes up in, I don't know, maybe like 15 hours or something. And so here we are and we're gonna make the best of it. So, why are you here? For the Simulator update number 1. This was started by Pantasy here on YouTube. I will link her below. This project is about using up your smellies. So we started, I believe her and I both started just with one full size perfume and then some minis. You know, the little sweet darlings that you get with orders. I have a whole container of them. I love them. I love getting them, but I tend to just, for years, I've just thrown them off to the side and just, you know, every once in a while squirt one. But it's really nice just to go through randomly and just have some variety without having to buy full-size bottles. So this project is really a good idea. So for and last time when I started, I didn't give you like set notes. I mean, I still don't really know what I'm doing, so I just appreciate that you're here watching this like love child of a dumpster fire and a train wreck, so welcome. So for my full size, I am doing the Fubu Heritage, and there are my little marky marks on the back, the intro, and then where we are now. So this is my second or third bottle of this. I won't repurchase it again. I'm getting over it, but this is warm and it's like musky. So the notes on this are fruity mandarin and pomegranate, lavender and rose, sandalwood and cedar. It's just very, I don't know, I just describe it as warm. I like it, but I don't love it enough to repurchase. That falls somewhere around like 7, 8 out of 10 for me. The first little mini that I pulled last time was the YSL Black Opium. I love her. I love her so much. So absolute much. The easiest 10 out of 10 I've ever given anything in my entire existence. This is coffee, white flowers, vanilla. It's just like warm and sensual and sexy, and like it lasts a long time, and a little bit goes a long way, and it really is delightful. But I can't buy it. I cannot buy a full size. You can actually get like a 5-ounce bottle. That is huge for a perfume, a 5-ounce bottle for like $155, which is like not bad for a high-end perfume. But they're not cruelty free. And I know there are lots of questions right now and a lot of people having their own concerns about what cruelty free means and where they're at with their cruelty free journeys and whatnot. For me, my journey is more just holding companies accountable as far as, you know what, I don't want to go into it right now. They need to do better. It's 2020. There are just better ways. So if there is pre-market testing on the ingredients in any way, shape, or form, it's a no-go for me. The companies that were cruelty-free and then decided to sell in China were post-market testing, like, that's a gray area for me, and I've been very like, no, I won't use them anymore, like with the First Aid Beauty thing and stuff. And I'm really torn, and I think that I have jumped on the bandwagon of like, no, I won't purchase from you, but I haven't done enough personal research to know exactly what selling in the mainland means for certified cruelty-free companies. So that is something I need to do for myself. Off topic, Black Opium. She is delicious. She is delightful. She is like, I've got to stop raving about her. Okay, the next one was the Aqua di Gio. So, okay, I still can't say it properly. Confession time. So I spritzed out the last little bit of this on myself last night before I crawled into bed, and I had some on my wrist, and I put it in Scott's face, and I was like, smell me, and he was smelling it, and he was like, that's kind of masculine. And I've been thinking that it was like a little spicy, not like, oh shoot, not like the Vince Camuto spicy, but like masculine spicy, okay? But I was like, no, maybe I'm just like, I don't know. So I looked it up. Yep, sure enough, it's a men's cologne. So look, I never said I was smart, all right. But I used the whole thing, and the notes on it were bergamot, tangerine, and patchouli, and that's what gets me, is the patchouli. I just really like things with the patchouli scent in it. Would I run out and buy this? Absolutely not. If another sample comes in the mail, will I keep it for myself? Yeah, probably. I probably will. So, good talk. So for this next month, the two, of course, I'm going to keep working on the FUBU. But the two samples that I pulled this time, one is Gucci Guilty, and she smells like geranium, pink pepper, lilac, peach, amber, and patchouli. So I really wish that I could smell these, but my allergies have other things in mind. But I hear people rave about this, and when you look at the actual bottle itself, it's gorgeous. The packaging's delightful. So I hope I enjoy that while it's here. And then I have the Ocean Mist and Coconut Water from Nest Fragrances. You guessed it, it smells like coconuts. Cedarwood and Ocean Mist. I'm not sure how you capture that in a little bottle of yummy goodness, but I can't smell it. But if I had to guess, coconut. So that is what's happening for now. So the next update will be on September 21st. You can like this video. You can subscribe if you like, although I'm like incredibly understanding if you don't, because we're kind of a hot mess here. You can comment if you're gonna be nice. We're nice here. We are messy and we are a total disaster, but we are nice. We're nice. We're nice here. Ooh, there's my fan. Say hello. Oh my god, the ADD is so real up in here. And don't think I'm making a joke about it. I'm not. I've been off my meds and like, yikes. Be nice. So I'm gonna let you go. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for putting up with my nonsense, my sweat, my nipples, because I refuse to wear a bra. You can join this project if you have some perfumes you'd like to use up. And I hope that you are staying healthy and cool, and I hope you're happy. That's the most important thing that I want for you. I want you to be happy. So have a good day.